Hi guys, I'm showing you other two small experiments about the air pressure and its power, which can be observed when water tries to exceed pressure resistance. To explain this, I prepared a jug and a salt bowl, both nearly filled with water. I also prepared two cylinders. One of them I drilled in the bottom, and you can observe that in the bottom there are small holes. Yes, the other is whole. And I'm preparing some demonstration about air pressure. Firstly, I can to immerse this cylinder in the horizontal position. You can see that water easily fills the cylinder as the air which is inside is easily pushed out from the opening which remains open in the over the level of water. And you can see that the cylinder is easily filling of water. But if I change the position and I put the cylinder inside the water in the way to immerse the opening, all the opening inside the water before pressing down, you can hear and observe the the hearing the noise of water bubbles, because the inner pressure tries to expel, and the water is expelled with some strength. Another time I can demonstrate this. Yes, you heard the noise of the water bubbles. Now I am demonstrating another phenomenon. I selected the drilled cylinder, and if I put the cylinder inside the jug, you can notice that the air which is inside the cylinder is pushed out from the holes, and you can notice that the meshing of the cylinder doesn't change the level of the water, but only the minimum corresponding with the mass of the cylinders, with the thin surface, the thin sides of the cylinder. Yes, you can notice this. If I change cylinder and I try to put inside this cylinders without holes, whole cylinder, the level changes. Then I have to pour some water to avoid the water to exit from the edge of the jug. Now I'm trying another time to put inside the cylinder bottom down, and you can notice the changing of water level. The same thing is happen if I change the position of the cylinder. If I put the cylinder with the opening down, it's happening the same phenomenon, and you can observe the changing of the level of the water. This is happening because the air which is inside the cylinder tries to exit but can't exit and then remain filled of air, and the inner pressure doesn't allow to the water to enter, and then you can see that the level of the water changes because of the inner volume of the cylinder remains filled of air, only air. You can see? Yes. This is the phenomenon which demonstrates that the inner pressure avoid to the water to enter. But now I can explain you the opposite phenomenon, because if I bring a glass and I fill this glass of water, I can demonstrate to you that the opposite phenomenon can happen because if I put a sheet of paper over the glass and I change the position of the glass upside down with the opening down, you can notice that the water remain inside. This is an old experiment that you surely know, but this remain effective to demonstrate the strength of the external pressure. The water remained, the glass remained filled of water because the external pressure of the air denies to the inner water to exit from the paper. And this is the way to demonstrate the another time the air pressure. Bye bye.